We will create Age of Empires with only Claude Code, and we only have 23 minutes. If it will work, no idea, but we will do our best. What we create is Age of Empires. You're well familiar with this game. So the goal is to create something like that. Probably, maybe it will not look exactly like that, but we are optimistic. First thing what we need is some assets. So I just Google imaged Age of Empires Swordsman, and I choose to pick this guy here. This guy. Okay, we come back in a second to the assets, because now we first want to set up our prompt, and we enter the plan mode with Shift-Tab. In Claude, we want to use this plan mode because like that, Claude creates much better results. So we paste in our prompt. I will just, okay, we do it differently. I will just enter the Vim mode for you to see it better. You can make a screenshot, copy paste it if you like. Quickly, what we want to do is we use PixiJS and we use TypeScript and Vite. This is basically the tech stack I chose for that task. For the rest we come later, so we just enter the Vim mode and we hit enter and we start our timer. So now Claude Code will already create a basic plan for us. In the meantime, let's focus. Okay, it's trying to find those files which we need for the assets. I will provide them. I already have them in the download folder, but they are not here yet. So we will take care of that later. Yes, 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 do that. Okay, so as said, what I did is I'm using SAM3D to create a 3D model. I will show you quickly how to do that. I already did some short homework here because it takes some time to do that. We have our assets for the knight, like the sword, the helmet, the shield, and everything else. And we have the knight itself and its posture. And we downloaded those as GLB files. So this part is already done. If we want to get there, it's very simple. You just go to Google, type in SAM3D, then you get to this page, and then you try the playground. It's totally free. And for assets, which are not people, you use this one, and for people, you do this one. Then you just click on it, then you import basically the image, which I created with Gemini. And after you did that, you only have to select something. For example, we use now the shield. And then it's creating you a model of the shield, which is very, very nice and very, very helpful. So here we have the shield in 3D. It's even rendering the different side, the other side, which is not seen. So our goal is now to make this, bring this to life. So let's see what we have here already. I will provide the GLB's files now. And yeah, well, you, okay, yeah, no, I will just, they are in the download folder, get them. And yes, I will do that. So that's something very nice about Claude Code 2. What I also always recommend you to do is you don't have to do all the work yourself. You can just download some files, take Claude Code, take a look at them. It even takes really a look at the files. I mean, if you download an image, it can read the image and then text them accordingly. So you don't have to do that. You can just say, oh, for this game, I already downloaded 50 images. Check the download folder, check this folder, and it will just take a look at them and get you whatever you need. And you don't have to take care of that. So the plan is ready. So let's go. Yes, clear context and auto accept edits. We're gonna do that. Claude Code will now start cooking. So what we want first is what I told it in the plan, a green grass map. So very, very simple, no crazy stuff, because I think we were gonna have enough work with the movement of the knights to make it nice, which is the big plan. So now it's creating now it's creating those nice little map for us. So it will install our dependencies, which we need. That is good. And hopefully already in the next few minutes, we will have something. So it's running already the server in the background. This is very nice. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to open a new tab or something like that. You can just use that. So what we want to see now is this is done. Okay, so what is the URL? Okay, it's still working on that. Oh, wait, I want to test first what is the URL. Actually, I said in the plan that after each step, I actually want to test. Did not do that. So I tell it again this now. What is the URL? Remember, after each step, I want to test first. So it's not a problem if it doesn't get things like totally perfect at the beginning. It's a dialogue. It's not like hit it off and run, finish it for me, and I go to sleep. And that's actually the fun part of it. I mean, we want to do stuff like that. So we have our map. Quite small, I would say. I like it. I want it bigger. Okay. Map is pretty small. Make it bigger. But what I do like is actually the color of the map. It has a very friendly green. So yeah, this is good. It's making our map bigger. Why is this happening here? Okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, that's fine for now. Well, okay. A zoom? Do we want a zoom? Yeah, maybe in the next step. Okay. Yes, continue with step 2. In the meantime, we can just take a look again at this. I explained to you already that. Let's take a quick look at what we actually have. So we want to have an health bar, which we have here. They do like, I mean, they really move. They really see this movement, like they start here with the X, they go down. I'm not so sure how well we will be able to do that, but we will do our best. We have 15 minutes left, and now we are supposed to have a blue knight. A very, very perfect knight we're gonna have. And here's our knight. I mean, done. Basically done, I would say. I mean, what could you improve? Okay, maybe a sword, but I mean, what else? Do you see any difference? I don't see any difference. This is basically okay. Funny, haha. Let's proceed. I think we can proceed with step 3. It's there. Huh? Arrow keys VSD to move. No, 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 no. No, I don't want VSD to move. It's a RTS game. I want to select the knight and control it like image of Empires. How he did the game idea that the balloon body. WSD to move? Oh, okay. I can move. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, but this is not what I want. I want to click selected. Then, like Age of Empires, so now I can click it. Yeah, this is how I want it. Nice. Okay. It works. Step 3. So yeah, we have already our unit, which we can use to attack something. The health bar, adding health bar to floats above the night. I mean, that's a very simple step. Okay, we only have 13 minutes left. We have to go to the interesting stuff. This was not interesting so far. We will get a health bar apparently. Actually, oh, there's a health bar. Nice, nice. And it's moving a little bit less. Okay. Yes, but the night is moving very strangely. Quite quick. Make it move more natural. Yeah, I think we want to do that because this is actually important. Because right now it's like, it's instantly moving there. No? So for our game feeling, I think it's important that the knight actually moves a little bit more natural. And the next step is that we focus on... Yeah, that's better. That's definitely better. Good. Actually, I think we can add JIT, because then we can easily go back. No, we don't. We don't do that. We don't overcomplicate now. Yeah, let's just do step 4 now. Because even with Claude Code, you can go back and you can also revert your code. So we don't need JIT right now. So a second knight in combat. Do we want this yet? I think we want to add our sprites. No, I mean, what is the point? Okay. Yeah, maybe, why not? Does it overcomplicate stuff? If we added second knight? I don't know. We will see. We only have 11 minutes left for the fun stuff. Okay, they attack. Okay, now I can... Which one is mine? Okay, this one is mine. Can move there. And then they attack each other. It's only one. Okay, they fight. That's nice. I can move away. It's following me and it's killing me. Good. Well, why not? Okay. Yeah. Let's do step 5, but let's focus purely on the sprites for now. Take a look at the body file first. Does it have a real skeleton? Question is, did it actually access my files? I think so. No GLB files found in downloads. Let's see here if it's already added some. Okay. It did not move the assets yet. Let's take a quick look again at what we have here. Download. Sorry, you don't see this right now because it's my screen. 1 second, very quickly. Sorry. Okay. Boop. those you need to get added an image of the files, which are actually in download. Files into the asset folder. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we have to speed up a little bit. So let's see if it's moved them into the asset folder. We have our assets folder. Yes. No, wait. Assets, sprites, night, not there yet. Assets, models. Okay, now they are there, and now we have to create the sprites. Okay. Do you want to proceed? Yes. It's inspecting now my file if we have actually a skeleton. The skeleton is important, so we can have 7 nodes, 0 skins, no 0 animations. It's a static mesh, no direct characters for sprites. We will need to render it from. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we want to do, I think I want to try one thing. We actually want to create a new one. Basically this one as a whole. So I show you this actually quickly, what we wanted to do. So now we have this object and we want to add stuff and we make it the whole night. So this too. And we try this one too. So let's generate it. So now we have our 4 night feeds are missing. Okay, but that is fine. So let's download this one too. GLB. I think we want to first go with this one. We download it. Why it takes them so long to download this thing? I don't think that it's a big file. Okay, so we can already say, okay, it's downloaded. I just downloaded a new one. Check download folder, use 6 minutes left. Call it full night and use it for now. For now to create the 8 views. I hope it's checking now. Yeah, okay. It's checking the download folder. Still checking the download folder. It found it. Okay, it's inspecting it. I think it's not necessary that we inspect it again. We have to just. Okay, so also no skeleton, but that's fine. Yeah, I agree. Static 8 direction sprites. We will just create that. So what we're going to do now is we use this thing and we just create images from all sides, which we will use because we will not create a real 3D game. We will do 2.5D, which is kind of fake 3D. So we're just going to run the script. And then, okay, it's going to run our Python script. The script, okay, to be fair, already prepared, and I took it from a different project. But it's a very simple script, just using Blender to create those instances. If you need the script, again, just leave me a comment in the comment in the video, and I will then provide you the GitHub link. So there was a problem with the script. We're just gonna do that again. And I think now it's just creating us those assets. Take a look at the tree again. And here we have all the different angles of the night. And then hopefully it's just using that. Okay, so let's see what changed. The sprites are rendered, show a night with source cells. Does it look? Huh? Did you connect them yet? I don't see the night. Because we don't really see the night, do we? We still have this amazing night. Okay, so he is connecting it now. We have 3 minutes left. It will be difficult probably to start fighting. And we leave that for the next video tomorrow, don't worry. We're gonna do that, not in this one, but we will continue with that tomorrow. In the meantime, it's connecting this stuff for us. It's updating. Oh yeah, amazing. Love it. Oh, we have our night, which is kind of flying, but I like what I see, I have to say. I would like to have a zoom. Maybe I can get a zoom. Because, I mean, that does not look stupid at all. Can I have a zoom? Looks good so far. How they fight, actually. Let's go here. The colors are a little bit different. No zoom yet. I mean zoom via mouse wheel. Oh yeah, I have zoom. And moving on map via VSD. Okay, I do have a zoom, but then it's not really, yeah, to be fair. I do like what I see, I have to admit that. So I can, oh yeah, now I can really zoom, and I can, how close I can get. It's not really that sharp, I have to say. I was expecting a little bit more there. Okay, so we have time for fight animations. No, we don't really have that. So, well, I would say I'm happy with that. Of course, there's lots of room for improvement, and now I'm moving with my mouse wheel instead of zooming anymore. Or am I not? Oh no, sorry, it's not correct. So I still zooming. It's a little strange how we do stuff. He's moving to me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if we have 6. Yeah, I think we do have. Yeah, I do like it actually. It's a little clunky. We can definitely improve on that. We have 24 minutes left and 23 seconds left. I think I will not do many big things right now. I like how it is. This is actually a pretty good start. I'm happy with that. And we will continue with this state in the next video. And I'm really looking forward to it, because what we want to have is, this is the goal, guys. This is what we want. We want like movement. And then those guys really have to hack each other into pieces like we have here. And of course, then one of them has at the end also to die. That's life. You fight, you die. Yeah. Very nice. Timer's off. If you enjoyed the video, I would be very happy if you give me a little like and subscribe. And then we see us in the next one. Ciao, ciao.